Most people think pasta is all about the sauce. That's wrong. One small mistake ruins pasta before the sauce even touches it. If your pasta tastes bland or heavy, it's probably not the recipe. It's how the pasta is cooked, and almost everyone gets this wrong. The biggest pasta mistake is under-seasoning the water. Most people add just a pinch of salt. That's not enough. Pasta absorbs water while it cooks. That water becomes part of the pasta. If the water has no flavor, the pasta has no flavor. No sauce can fully fix that. Restaurants know this. That's why their pasta tastes better. Even with very simple sauces. Pasta water should taste like the sea, not mildly salty, properly seasoned. This isn't a chef trick, it's basic food science. Season the pasta from the inside and everything changes. You'll need less sauce, less cheese, less fat. That's why professional kitchens focus on the water first. Fix the base, and the dish improves automatically. Do you salt your pasta water this way, or will you try it next time? Simple mistake, huge difference.